What's up guys, this is Anish and guys, you're watching Anish Fitness. So guys, I'm going to show you how to make banana shake. So for that guys, we have 1 spoon honey and 3/4 cashew and 1.5 glass milk, and we have 5 bananas. So I will cut this and guys I will show you. I will add here a little bit milk guys, for it is easier to mix. So I will add here a little bit milk. Now I will mix it in mixture. Let's have a see. Now I will add 1 spoon honey. So I will add here. I will mix this also. So guys, now I will add milk. Now guys, I'll show you the final look. What the shade is good. Now we'll drink this oil free here. This is for me and my brother, so we have a lot. Totally finished. So in final guys, we'll add chestnut. This is for the taste of it. So now we'll drink this guys. It's a kind of taste guys. If you can drink this guys in morning and evening for the pre-workout meal. So this is very tasty guys. So guys, this is my video guys. See you next video with 2 more content guys. If you like my video, then please like my video and guys don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Be fit guys, love you all, take care. This is Anish Fitness. Over and out.